welcome to another Papercraft Society Box reveal. This month we're looking at box number 31, and this very colourful box has been designed by the lovely Lou Withers in association with Mental Health UK. Now, there's always around about £60 worth of product inside any Papercraft Society box, but of course when you're subscribing you are paying a lot less than that. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take a look at some of the amazing projects that have been made for the booklet inside the box. So if you'd like that to be a surprise, skip forward a minute or two and then we'll get on to the contents. So you've already seen some of these cards standing up around me. They are bright, they are bold, you've got lots of texture, lots of different design elements to them. And inside the booklet that's in the box, you're going to have step-by-step instructions for all of these. Look at that, it's absolutely beautiful. Lou Withers has a very distinctive style, very much along the lines of her mindful moodling, where you get lots of circles, lots of doodles, and of course a lot of colour. Each of these are going to really take you out of your comfort zone and have you creating something that I'm sure you'll have never created before. Look at these, aren't they absolutely beautiful? Somehow Lou manages to mix lots of different colours and shapes and still make something that's perfectly cohesive, harmonious, and just beautiful for our papercraft projects. And of course, not just for cards either. Lou is very much into her journaling and her mixed media, off the page, and elements like that. Look at this, those bright colours are stunning. It looks like she's used a pencil here, but we will find out once we delve into that booklet exactly what's been used for each project and how it's all been put together. Now let's see exactly what you're getting inside the box. Now, as always, the box is really sturdy, perfect for using for storage later on, if you want to decorate it maybe, but also ideal just for keeping everything together. A little message from Lou, first of all, take your mind for a stroll. I love that. It's so different to lots of the other creative phrases that we have on our Papercraft Society boxes. Now, let's take a look. If you've never met or come across Lou Withers before, this is the lovely lady. Very good friend of mine, very talented crafter and artist as well. She used to be an art teacher, which does explain a lot. Now, inside the booklet, obviously you have your introduction and you have your content, you have what's in the box, and then we're straight into different ways of using your elements from the box. So this one is how to use your inks. There's a hint as to what's inside the box. Look at this, we're getting step-by-step photo instructions. We're getting step-by-step written instructions as well for cards. That's that lovely one that I've got sat here. They're absolutely beautiful. We've got other designers who have created things for us as well. There's an interview with Lou. There's an element here with cut out pieces, hand cut pieces, using a stencil. That's interesting. We'll have a look in the box and see where that comes in. I absolutely love this booklet. I love this box. It's just right up my street. But like I say, for taking you out of your comfort zone, this might be the perfect box for you. Maybe try something you've not done before. Now, as always, there's more underneath the tissue paper, but let's have a look at what's inside the wallet. Now, the wallet does have the number and the name of the designer or the brand on there as well. So you're always going to know which box this is for when they're maybe stacked on your bookshelf. And you can keep all of the main elements together, so your stamps, dies, stencils and papers. We've got more phrases in here from Lou. So lose yourself in colour, free the inner artist, and live life like a rainbow. Absolutely brilliant. Now, I can see here already we've got 2 stamp sets, and they are large stamp sets. You're looking at A5 here. Let's just find there's something white so I can show you. We've got all of those circles. I love these, and you can see these on many of the projects there. In fact, I'm just going to pop those out the way for the people who don't want to maybe see them so much until they get their box. You can see the overlapping circles. You can see you've also got a number of, there's 6 different borders here, and they're in that very doodly style of Lou's. A good quality clear stamp there too. And then we have a second stamp set. Now I've seen this circle appear on a lot of the samples that I've just shown you. We've got like a frame here, we've got a leaf shape, all with the doodles inside. We've got Sent with Love, Smile, florals in here as well. Lots that you can build up an image, a frame, a border, whatever it may be, onto your projects. We've also got stencils. We've got two different stencils here, or masks, whichever you like to call them. This kind of look like raindrops there, two different sizes. I guess you could flip them and they could be something different. It's entirely up to you. I think one thing Lou is very strict about is the fact that there are no rules when it comes to crafting and using your craft products. Then we've got these kind of wavy borders. Do you know what I've just realised? I get it now, they overlay each other. Okay, so from what it looks like, these can be overlaid by this half. So stencil through these ones and then move the stencil over. I think they will fit so you can ink. I need to check that out. I need to experiment. I need to have a play. I can't wait to play with those. So I think they are kind of like layered stenciling there. And then we've got some lovely papers, so let's open this up and take a look at the papers we've got. It looks like they may be single-sided and a beautiful watercolour image. This is one of my favourite colours, blues and greens, I just absolutely adore. Really good quality. I would say you're looking at 180, 190 GSM, if not even a bit more. Beautiful oranges and pinks and peaches there. We've got a lovely layered textured look. It looks like that's been sort of gel printed there. And then another one with some book pages. So very much a mixed media look to this with the brighter colours. Absolutely adore these. Again, maybe some more kind of paint stamping or gel press printing on that one. And there's more. I thought there'd just be a few designs and repeats. Do you know what? I don't know if there's any repeats. I think they are all different. Every paper is different. How amazing is it? Oh, and look at that. You've even got sentiment strips and florals and doodles that you can cut out as well. And then we're back to the beginning. So you've got all of those different papers that you can pick and choose from. Oh, I love that. I do love that with the music sheets on. That's gorgeous. Okay, so that is everything inside of your wallet. Let's take a look. Let's just pop this back in. I think I'm catching that. And let's take a look at what else is inside the box. And delving into the tissue paper, we have, what's this? We have like a key ring here. How? Because I've never seen that in a Papercraft Society box. An actual key ring that just perfectly matches with everything else. How brilliant is that? And then we have a black ink pad, of course, absolutely essential if you want to be using this with your stamps. So that's really handy to top up on that. We have, now it did say about using your ink, so we have some ink here. We'll test those out in just a moment. There's some, these are different. I think these are some stencils. Let's just take them out of the packet because this is all brand new. We've got some, I see, so we've got circle stencils. So you really can do your own doodling here. We've got different ones. You just have to pull them apart. They're already kind of cut out, die cut for you. So you've got circles. Then you've got these elongated oval shapes as well. Hopefully you can see the kind of shapes that you're getting. I'm just holding it over the blue so you can see them. You've got all different sizes of those too. And then you've got that teardrop shape. So again, let me just pop these out so you can see the sort of shapes that you're getting. They're all nested, so you've got smaller ones inside larger ones, and again inside larger ones again. Let's pop these ones out. There you go, so you can hopefully see. And then you have some on the corners as well, all different sizes, so really filling up the space. You've got some little holes on these templates too, so you could actually pop them on. You could pop them onto your keyring, I suppose, if you didn't want to put it on your keys, or just pop a book ring on those to keep them together. Now, also in here we have a paintbrush. Perfect, you'll need that with your inks. We've got some white, these are labels, like sticky labels, but I guess you could use them just as stickers. Create your own stickers. Look, they're plain white, they're matte, your inks and everything will sink into them beautifully and hold, but they are adhesive, so you can peel them off and then put them onto your projects. Maybe you just want to stamp and such on them. They're a really nice idea. So you've actually got circles and you've also got ovals. Oops, there we go, ovals as well. All the same size on each sheet. You're looking at 4, quick maths now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're looking at 36 ovals, and doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 35 of the circles on there. And the last thing that I can see that's in the box is some cardstock. It looks like it's watercolour cards. It is, it's watercolour cardstock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's 8 sheets in there. Nice strong watercolour paper that you can use. So while we've got this, let's just have a look at the colours of these inks quickly, just so we can see what colours we've got. So we've got a glass bottle here with the glass dropper as well. So let's just put 1 drop of ink. This is a blue, looks like a lovely bright blue, and I'm imagining that you could quite easily water these down as well. Look at how bright that lovely blue is. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I'm not being very artistic here, I apologise, I'm just trying out the colours. Now I've obviously got blue on my brush and I don't have water to clean it, but let's take a look at the orange as well. So these screw on. So you've got the rubber teed at the top there, and let's just, now I'm going to mix this with blue a little bit, but you see the orange, the beautiful bright orange. These are so Lou, they really are the kind of thing that I think about when I think about Lou Withers artwork. You're going to be creating some amazing doodles, really getting arty with all of the products in this box. So that's everything that's inside your Papercraft Society box number 31, designed by the lovely Lou Withers. Now there's lots of different ways of subscribing. You've got 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. And of course, the longer you subscribe for, the better the offer. So you can be getting this from as little as £18 something, which is amazing, and with free UK delivery. If you want to find out more, just pop along to www.papercraftsociety.co.uk.